Rhino mode. Oh, Mirage Day, baby. I don't know if you like it, but crack it open.
I can't even breathe, dog. So I hit that blood. Oh, you got a chaser.
Oh, I didn't buy Cokes, bro. That's what we forgot to buy.
Right here. We got cups. You could do like a cup of ice Coke real quick or something.
Yeah, I'm down.
about hitting the no Coke.
I know, I forgot. We were at the fucking liquor.
Actually tastes great.
Take one. A baby one, you're on camera. There it is. That's all you need.
It's gonna be like Deep Creek getting stuck on a mountain again.
You said later.
There's some mountains right there.
Hello. No chaser boys.
Fuck. I'm not competing with you today.
Definitely not. Definitely not. That's a flower.
Hola?
Hola. Hola.
What's you?
Give that shit to him, fool. That fool's already here.
Here.
There's no going back.
Yeah, already?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's finish saying what's up.
Nah, that's cool. That's how you say hi.
I love vlogging charra.
Hell yeah.
I love when he's vlogging.
We're vlogging today.
I miss LA charra.
It ain't.
He's gonna go so crazy on the lake bed, and I'm gonna vlog it on his shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna try to do the one-hand handy bottle.
He's gonna one-hand the whole lake bed with the hand.
It ain't LA, but
Hey, you guys wanna hear some trippy shit that my brother
Trip me
pointed
out.
out? The last time I used this was when we came out to Mirage.
oh,
Last
that's
time
right.
Mikey came out. That was the last time I saw this helmet again. This is my helmet.
What the fuck? It hasn't been out since.
It ain't LA, but we're gonna go crazy.
Today.
No streets today. We dirt riding today. That's it. Henny Ray.
That color scheme is hard, man. I might just have to wrap my wrist.
Why are you matching with the Can-Am, dog?
So yeah,
You're matching.
you tripping sometimes.
Off-white, my first pair of boots.
Stop playing, man.
You get these when you drink more than charra.
No, you don't. Oh my god.
Put that on the vlog.
Jeez. They're in.
Like a glove, my
Kicks it. Bota Ray.
Do that again.
Step out.
I give up some. Free pants, but
Oh, that's the one right there. Yep.
Steps, you got the steps.
Jeez.
Get that right.
That's the one.
it is tornado. There's nothing in it no more. I've been trying to connect, but my
It wasn't a tornado, but no, you weren't.
Oh yeah.
Ah, what the fuck is that? Tornado that shit right now. Here, tornado this.
Is it? A little bit more, a little bit more. You
Come
gotta
on,
drink
tornado
a little
that.
more.
Oh, here we go. Oh yeah!
go check that shit. Yeah, right. I didn't.
Say hola.
Hola.
Sin miedo al éxito, papá. Hey, no, what the?
Almost rigged.
If Frosty wins, it's rigged. All right, the first. There it is.
Wipe it down with this and get you a rack to dry it off. Might as well fucking wash it.
Might as well.
No, put it in gear. Now you can say that you drove it.
Yeah. Oh, in the shade.
Look at this man, happy as fuck. We outside. This is what we eating for the rest of our lives.
I know, for real.
All right, so we made it to the gas station, pumped some E85. We're gonna head back to Apex headquarters because the car is starting to cut out at 4,000. So I don't know. He said it's not supposed to be doing that. I'm hoping it's just something simple, but it should be pretty straightforward. So, but yeah, car feels solid. Yeah, but we'll see right now. Everything feels good. It's just that minor cutout. We'll see what it is right now. That nigga crazy, bro. good news, we made it back home in one piece. Bad news,
After going back to the shop.
after going back. So like we said, we went back and the car was cutting out. So then I guess Danny still had something with the fuel pressure. He still had it on, so it wasn't like in safety mode. So he turned it off and the car did good. Midway, not midway, a little more than midway home, once we reached like Fontana area, the fuel pressure started dropping again. And then so we put it in fourth, try to give it a little gas, and yeah, it cut out again. And then fuel pressure started dropping, and then literally when we got down the street here to my house, everything started acting up. Even the ethanol went down. It was at 76, 77, and it went down to like 30. So I don't know if, I mean, we filled up before we came. I don't know if the gas is burning that fast, but I just put a gallon in right now of E85, and then so I'm gonna turn it on and see what it does. Here's the camera. This one. Okay, so it's back at 77. TPS is still down. Well, there it goes. Look, fuel pressure is back at 40, so that's good. It's supposed to be at 35. The check engine light's off again. Ethanol's back at 77. Give it a little gas. Might have just been out of gas.
That fast?
It just ran out of gas right now.
Nah, cause look, it's at 39 now. Look, ethanol.
It ran out of gas with those little fucking revs.
The little revs, That's, I don't know. Do you really think that 85 is burning that fast? It's a chance. Like you said, bigger gauge hoses. Yeah, it does have bigger lines now. Damn, that's insanely fast. Shit, might have just been the problem. All right. So, I mean, it looked like it's back to normal. Maybe it was just out of gas, but I don't know. I'm gonna call Jason up right now and talk to him, see what he thinks. We redid the whole fuel system, so maybe, I mean, everything is new, so I don't know. I don't know if it's really burning the gas that fast. That's crazy. It was literally like a 45-minute drive, so I don't think it killed the gas in 30 minutes. And we were cruising. But yeah, you're right. Makes sense. But, well, this is the update for right now. Let's see what he says, and hopefully we're back on the road. But she's home, finally. Sharking. How you feel? You liked it?
I like it.
So sick.
a little different from what I'm used to again. Yeah. It's fun.
I was supposed to give Afu a ride, but it started cutting out. So I don't know. I'll probably fill up and then take him on a spin and see how it does. But we'll see. We'll be back. So officially day 2 of having the car back and still having some issues. Let's go outside, check it out real quick so I can tell you guys exactly what's going on. So still having some weird fuel pressure drops, which my tuner and Jason said they would go over. Hopefully it's nothing too bad, or well, obviously it won't be too bad. I know it's something stupid, but literally everything in the fuel system was changed. So at this point we're kind of thinking the only thing that wasn't changed was the actual fuel tank. So maybe something to do in there. I know he told me that my fuel tank was pretty banged up, but that's the update for up to right now. Pulled up the quad to take a quick picture since they kind of look the same. This is paint, this is wrap. It looks pretty similar. So, but yeah, anyway, let's talk about the motor real quick. Obviously you can see Jason cleaned it up pretty well this time around. He did everything he wanted to do. I kind of told him like, okay, you know what, do whatever you want, and then whatever you say goes. So we swapped out the brake booster, deleted it, so now the brakes are a little stiffer. Got a new intake manifold, new fuel rail, deleted all the fuel lines that were back here. If you guys remember my car, you guys remember that how ugly the back of the firewall was. Now that looks all nice and tucked. Deleted those ugly brackets that I had here, made this nice one. But yeah, the motor itself looks super good. New intake. Looks so much cleaner. I know he wanted to clean up the blue and red lines. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that, but nah, for now, I mean, for what it is, it's good enough for me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. This time around, we have an actual built block. We did Wiseco pistons and K1 Tech H-beams, and then it was all done at Blue Moon Performance. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of them if you guys are in the drift world. So they did a super good job on this. When the car is actually like doing good, it's usually on, like, when let's say I started up right now that it's cold, let it warm up, take it for a spin, it'll do perfectly fine, but once it's actually like in cycle, I guess you can say, that's when it'll start bogging out. But man, when it's ripping, it's ripping. She just wants to keep going, so I'm super stoked. I know once we sort that problem out, I've already felt out the power, and it's amazing. We actually kept it at 512 this time around, just to keep the motor happy, avoid any issues. So we'll power chase on the 34. But yeah, just check this thing out, you guys. Super sick. I'm stoked on it. Alright, day 3 update. Exactly what he said. Successful. We came back to Rival Auto. Ended up being something dumb. So 240 guys, you know, for the fuel pumps, you have a clamp that's on the top of the pump. I guess that clamp came loose, so the actual pump wasn't like holding the pressure, but regardless, we put in a new clamp, and then we went with a Hellcat pump this time around, and the car actually feels amazing. So we're gonna take this bitch home, and finally I could put this video out, so stay tuned for this one. Alright, you guys, so we're back at the compound finally. We're back from Rival Auto. This is officially day 3 of having the car back, or testing it out and everything. So like I said, we were having weird fuel pressure drops. So at the end of the day, Jason said to bring the car back. We thought maybe the fuel pump might have been shot, and it turned out to be just the actual, the little the clamp that holds the that's on top of the fuel pump. If you're a 240 guy, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When you pull the pump out, there's like a little clamp that holds it. So that was already loose. It was like completely off. So Jason was saying that the pump might have not even been holding like pressure there. Regardless, we ended up going, we swapped that pump out just in case. We swapped it out, and he ended up getting me a Hellcat pump. So because I guess the way my car is set up, that pump was like a direct bolt-in, so we didn't have to change anything. And if it would have gotten to a worse scenario, he had a DW 400, I believe, that we were going to use if in case the Hellcat one didn't work. But thank God, everything worked out. Brought the car back home, did at least 100 pulls. So I mean, I'm exaggerating, but we did a lot of pulls, got a couple little runs in. But car's running perfect. Unfortunately, I don't have tires on it right now. Tires are shot. I got a little too excited the first day I got the car back. So just gonna wait for a little bit right now and enjoy the car. And I don't know, I'm thinking of putting, since I'm gonna be streeting the car here and then, I'm thinking of putting an actual, like a big tire on it, maybe like a 285, 295 if I could fit it. I have to, the rear has to get raised regardless, because it's sitting a little low, and I just want to save axles. You know, I don't care too much about the hot boy look, as long as my car's running good, especially since I'm gonna want to be doing highway pulls. So that's the update. The car is perfect now. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that I took so long to post a video about this car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know this is the car that kind of started it out for me. So I'm stoked to have it back finally, and I'm excited for the content that's going to come out after this, because after today I finally have a car that runs, that I can use to pull out more content for you guys. And then hopefully within the next year or so, I can fully finish that R34. But we're still thinking, we're still brainstorming what we're gonna do with that car. But for now, enjoy this video, enjoy the pools. Before I end this video today, I just want to give a huge, massive thank you, shout out, whatever you want to call it, to Jason Kim at Rival Auto Works and Danny at Unrivaled Tuning for doing everything that they've done to my car. And this time around, I mean, well, they've done pretty much everything since the beginning. So I want to give a huge thank you to him. Jason Kim has been nothing but great to me. It took a while for me waiting in the wait list, but I tell everybody the same thing whenever they ask me. I wouldn't go anywhere else, and it's crazy to think that I would wait so long for somebody, because I'm super impatient. But when it comes to car work or anything Jay-Z related, like as far as for example my car, I don't like anyone else touching my shit, like straight up. I have numerous amount of friends that work on cars, that do wiring and everything, and they've all told me like, oh hey, you know what, let me do this, let me do that. And my answer is always you know, I can't. I go strictly to Rival Auto. If you guys know me, you guys know that very well. I don't like to go anywhere else, just because I rather avoid having 100 people touch my car for a better price, when I can just have 1 or 2 people touch my car and then them know everything going on inside. So that's just my personal preference. But once again, thank you, Rival Auto. You guys are amazing. You guys do amazing work. I'm 200% satisfied with your guys' work. Always have been, always will be. I will always be grateful for everything you guys have done for me. And I'm excited to enjoy the car now, and I'm sure you're excited to finally not have the car at your shop, living there. So hopefully the car doesn't have to go back to you soon, but let's see how long it lasts. And I'll see you guys again on the next one. Thank you, Rival Auto. Thank you for everything. I love it. I'm excited. I can't wait till you guys actually get your hands on my 34. I know that's going to be great. And once again, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.